Nutty. Today we're playing this video game called Sister Location, and I'm okay. I'm going to play this game. So Flippy said it was really cool, so I'm going to just play it. We're on 19, so.
What's Daddy? You let the other children go see her. Why won't you let me
watch the girl in here? Flippy said there was a.
Welcome back for another night of intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and self-reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now. Using the keypad, but it seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for choosing Angsty Teen.
Ew! Wait, hey Sniffles, do you want to date someone like that?
Oh no. Angsty teen.
There's
There's a baby down here.
I'm scared. Where's your son, Felice? This is weird. I don't like this. Oh!
Why is there caution tape?
Oh no. Click the button.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. Get out now or... So, funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once. Okay, so not that funny, but it's a story. Okay, let's start with your nightly chores. You should check on Ballora and make sure she's on her stage, but whatever.
Okay. No. What's happening?
Huh. I guess Ballora has better things to do. Let's zap her.
No!
That should be fun.
Is that your new girlfriend?
Can I click it? Okay.
Is that your new girlfriend?
Wait, that?
No.
Heck? What the heck? Would you see that thing flickering? Wait. Something in it, Sniffles. I want to turn notification to you. Was that Funtime Foxy? I've played this game before, actually.
Hi.
Let's check on Funtime Foxy. Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Okay.
There's
Wait, Funtime Foxy! Oh my gosh!
Great. There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Is that like a baby crying?
Be quiet, Sniffles. I'm trying to win this.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery.
Yes! I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna beat all of it.
Circus
today.
Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Ow! That hurt my ears.
Oh wait, where's Baby? Where's Baby?
Oh, Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock.
Why is it not working?
There seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process. Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and
I'm
oxygen.
scared.
Oxygen.
Commencing system restart.
What if Baby?
die.
What if Baby pops up?
Motion trigger. Entryway vent.
Oh no. What is a fat
Funtime auditorium maintenance vent
ice
opened.
cream? A big ice cream.
Ballora gallery maintenance vent opened.
Big ice cream.
Motion
Where's that
trigger. Technician control.
Stop. Dude, what if you have to do something?
I don't recognize you. You are new.
Who's that?
I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here.
Smacked
I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this.
I want to spend my
Willingly.
night here.
Maybe curiosity, maybe ignorance. There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. They will lose interest.
Okay. Oh no.
I hear stuff.
Under the desk. Oh, touch. What's this? I'm getting scared. Okay. What's happening? I hear a lot of noises. That's kind of weird if you have a flashlight if you're hiding. And you have holes in the desk. Who in there? Wait, did you hear that, Sniffles?
Yeah. I heard hello in there.
Hello in there.
That scared me!
Oh my gosh.
Why did Flippy down like this? Shut up, baby.
Wait, did you see an eye?
Yeah, I just saw an eye. I just saw a baby.
I'm getting scared. Please don't jump scare. Oh, I heard a cry over here.
Nutty!
Oh, it can scare us.
I have to pee in my pants.
Don't pee on my bed. Come on, mommy.
I gotta pee! I gotta pee!
Stop! Stop!
Nutty! Nutty!
Oh, I got it.
Oh, Nutty. Don't about to kill me.
I've done this before.
Dude, don't scroll away from it. What if the baby comes up again?
Okay. I'll just keep my thumb on it the whole time.
Well, what if it doesn't move?
No! Stop! Stop!
It's on it!
I can't.
Poop!
We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. You know what? Let's just die. I don't even care anymore.
Chicken!
It's not gonna work. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Sniffles, we're gonna die. We don't care. Don't. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're actually gonna survive.
Poop. I told you to shut up!
Well, we actually have to do it one more time. Actually.
Please.
Actually, we actually never made it this far. Actually.
We're gonna make it so far. Please don't poop on us, baby.
When your guide comes back online, he is going to tell you that he was unsuccessful, that you must restart the system manually.
Oh no.
He will then tell you to crawl through Ballora Gallery as fast as you can to reach the breaker room.
I'm gonna
If
get
you
jump
follow
scared
his
so
instructions, you will die.
bad.
Ballora will not return to her stage anymore. She will catch you. The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through Ballora Gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you and can only listen for your movement. When you hear her music become louder, she is growing near, listening for you.
Oh no. So we have to be
Wait.
quiet?
And be still.
Stop.
Thank you for your patience. It seems that the power system cannot be restarted automatically. You will need to restart the power system manually.
Oh,
Please
no.
return to the primary control module.
How do I get back there?
No!
Go back. Okay. Okay, be careful because they said bananas in these vents.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
What if somebody jump scares us?
You will now be required to crawl through the Ballora Gallery using the vent to your left to reach the breaker room.
Okay, this
It is
the left
recommended
because
that
that's
you
where
stay
my
low
last
to the
name
ground and
is.
reach the other
Sniffles.
side
Yeah,
as
like
fast as
that.
possible as to not disturb Ballora. I will deactivate myself momentarily as to not create an auditory disturbance. Deactivated.
That's amazing.
Gallery maintenance vent opened.
Stupid butt.
Oh no, you can hear her music. I can't. I hear Ballora. tell me we have to start all that over.